Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you guys will be seeing me do a quick get ready with me for work. All the products used in this video will be linked in the description box below, so you guys can go ahead and check that out. So in the mornings, my skin tends to be drier than usual, so I like to start off by moisturizing. Today I am using the oil-free acne moisturizer in the pink grapefruit line. I really like this because it's super lightweight. It has salicylic acid and it helps me to both clear my skin and prevent further breakouts. To prime my skin, I am using the Ellen Tracy Long Lasting Makeup Primer / Setting Spray. I really love this product and I got it for really cheap at Ross. To brighten up my skin, I am using the True Match Lumi Glotion from L'Oreal Paris. I recently started using this product and so far, so good. As you guys can see, I am dealing with a huge zit beside my nose right now and some redness on other parts of my face, but no worries. I am using my e.l.f. Tea Tree / Salicylic Spot Treatment, and that baby usually knock these babies out really quickly. I don't wear foundation to work every single day. Sometimes I just throw on some face powder and rush out the door, but today I am getting kind of glammed up for the purpose of this video and because, well, I want to look really nice, so I am going to put on foundation. The foundation that I use is from Maybelline. It's the Fit Me Poreless, and I use the 330 and the 355 to get my current shade. I'm sure if I go to like a store that sells a really large variety of Maybelline shades, I'd be able to find my exact color, but yeah, for now I'm just mixing these two together to get my perfect shade. To conceal redness, dark marks, pimples, whatever, I use this really cheap LA Girl concealer. It's cheap but it's effective. It works great. Because I don't always have the time to do my brows, I try to keep them as thick, as full, and as neat as possible. So when it comes to brows, I don't do that much. I do have this NYX pencil that I really like. It's in the color Ebony, and this is what I use to just lightly fill in my brows. Whatever gaps I see here and there, I just lightly fill that in. For those of you wondering what I still have on my face, it's just some concealer to cover those really stubborn dark marks and zits. Before you go telling me that I should not be putting makeup on my zits, trust me, I know, but as soon as I get home from work, I wash off all my makeup and I treat my acne and I take really good care of my skin. If you guys are wondering what I use to take care of my skin, I use African black soap and a spot treatment from e.l.f. I will link these down below in the description box as well. If you hear my dog barking in the background, please forgive me. He is going crazy today. Anyway, what I am doing right here is I am just getting some of that Lumi Glotion and I'm using it as a base for my highlighter. To highlight, I decided to reach for my Carly Bible Deluxe palette, and I will be using both eyeshadow and highlighter from this particular palette. am done with highlighter, eyeshadow, eyeliner, and mascara, I proceed to set my makeup, and the setting spray that I used is from Clean Color. It's the Clean Color Pro Sealer Makeup Setting Spray, and it has a matte finish. When it comes to hair, I understand that hair can take a while, so 90% of the time I try to ensure that I prep my hair from the night before. So I try to think, what am I going to do with my hair for work tomorrow, and I try to do it from the nighttime so I can just wrap it, and it's super easy the next morning. So as you guys can see, I have in some flexi rods, a half up, half down hairstyle. Well, yeah, I guess you can call this a half up, half down hairstyle. And I just wrapped my hair. I did start unraveling some of the curls just to ensure that they set properly. And now I'm proceeding to take them down. Because a lot of the curls were still tight after shaking out my hair, I decided to loose them out using my fingers. Just gently unravel them one by one. To ensure that my entire hairstyle looked really neat, I decided to take one of the curls and wrap it around the hair scrunchie so as to conceal it. To take care of flyaways, I grabbed my moisturizer from Motions. You can use whichever one you have, and just apply it to your edges and to your hair, whatever strands of hair or anything like that that you see sticking out, and that should help to tame it. After that, I went in with some of my Eco Styler gel just to ensure that throughout the day my edges would stay laid and I would not have flyaways no matter the weather conditions. So that is pretty much it for hair and makeup, guys. This normally takes me about 15 minutes tops. Now for outfit, I know this portion of the video is a bit shaky and not the best, but trust me, I will get better and I will figure out how to do these things so that the entire video looks really nice. Anyways, as it relates to my outfit, my jacket is from H&M. My shirt that I have on is from Ross. I think I paid a mere $10 for it. And the pants is also from H&M. I almost forgot, my shoe I got from a local boutique here in Belize. It's no special brand or anything like that. It's just a plain nude shoe and like a 3-inch heel. It's really comfortable, and that is pretty much it for this video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you are subscribed to my channel, thank you for subscribing. If you are not, hit that subscribe button below for a whole lot more. And yeah, thank you all so much, and until my next video, goodbye.